Everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Di's Shorts. And I got my kits and the new product of the month. So that's what I'm going to show today. Now I'm not going to make the things, I'm just going to show you them. And then next week I'll actually make the projects. But I just want to show you those. So anyway, so if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. It is getting warm already here. In fact, I've got like a sleeveless shirt on even. But the mornings are still cool on the nights, so that's good. But anyway, so I hope it's nice wherever you are. My family all lives in Canada, so my sister sent me a video this morning of it snowing there. Oh, so hopefully wherever you are, you're safe, you're warm, you're not stuck anywhere in the snow or whatever. But so if you are new, during the video premiere, I'm in the chat room, so head on over there. I'll be there with my friends. If you're watching the replay and you have a question or a comment, leave it below, and then YouTube will let me know, and I can reach out to you. So yeah, so that's what we're going to blabber about today. So I'm going to adjust my camera, so close your eyes just for a second while I do that. Okay, so this is the product of the month, and this is a really cute little stamp set, Notes of Spring. And it's got a little bunny, a duck, a deer, and some, I love this font. It's kind of like a typewriter kind of font. So it has like two-step stamping. So it's got the kind of almost like a shadow, and you can stamp the bunny over it, or you could simply just color the bunny. Let me see how big these are compared to the pictures. Let's see. So they are, so see, they're a little bit bigger than the picture. That might be easier for you to see right there. So they're a little bit bigger, so that's cool. So I can't wait to play with that. All right, so if you order $75 before tax and shipping in my store, you can pick the Notes of Spring stamp set for only $5. So this is the March product of the month. And if you are interested in this one and you haven't ordered any of the prior months, you can always choose one of those. You can only get one product of the month though. So like if you liked February's, but you already picked it, you can't pick it again in March if you didn't want this one. You just don't pick one if you don't like it. But I think it is really cute. That little deer with the little speckles, so cute. It's just drawn really fun. All right, so there's that. And then let's see, what do I got here? I have, all right, so this is the Standing Clipboard Trio Kit. So I haven't even opened these because I just got them. All right, so these are the clipboards, and then we'll just throw these away. That is not food. So this is a little plastic stand. So it stands up so cute. Let me see the other one. Here's another one. So this one's a little smaller. And then this one. Let me get my box out of the way here. So cute. And they have this wood look to them. They're really thick. Look how thick that is. All right, so we have two this size, and then you have a smaller one. So can you see that? So this one is, that, whatever. But so cute. All right. Now you can order as many as you want of these. So you might have a project you want to do with somebody. Maybe you want to make you know, something for a teacher or something, you can get multiples of those. All right, and this is the Radiant Reminders kit. And let's see what this one looks like. Like I said, I'm not going to make these today. I'll make them next week. I just want to show you what they are all about. Okay, so you have some bling, some little mini glue dots, little dimensionals, and the longer stripped dimensionals. And then here's your card pieces. Look at the pretty Monstera leaves. Some chevrons, I guess. Some more leaves. Some more chevron-y kind of thing. There's like a gold tint to it. Some more, just different colors. There's some pretty moths. And then there's some other kind of leaves. And then you've got some vellum in your chipboard. Alright. So this makes these projects right here. Very cool. Alright. So I'm just going to stick it back in that box so I don't lose anything. So when I do this next week, I haven't got it all mixed up like I've done before. I have totally done that before. I can't remember what it was, one of the kits I did. And then I was like, oh, I don't remember these ladybugs. Well, that's because the ladybugs came with a different kit. And I had made it all messed up. All right. Now this one is the Every Little Thing kit. And sometimes I remember what they are and sometimes I don't. All right. Now this one comes with a Secret C Stampin' Spot, a stamp set, and it does these. So you can order these now. And I always say, like, if there's something you're interested in, make sure you order it, you know, as soon as you can, because things run out. Like, we have some things that have been really popular, and we're not going to get them in for a while, so that can be frustrating. So I'm usually like, grab them when you can. All right, so we have a block, some tear tape, some dimensionals, like I said, the stamp set, and then you've got your card pieces. Look how pretty that is with the roses there or something. We've got like a scene, this one, that one, this one, some more flowers, and some chipboard, and then the stamp set. So I'll put that in there. Every Little Thing kit. Very cute. Now it looks like, till I get doing these, it looks like each kit just does one card each. Like, that's what it looked like to me. Not multiples. Alright. So I will do those next week. And I think they're intended that you can put them on these clipboards. Right? I think that's kind of what these are intended for, I guess, till I get playing. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. So hopefully that will give you an idea of these new kits. I don't have my paper pumpkin yet. I should have that so I can show that next week as well. But the Notes of Spring, I gotta do my nails. I hope you didn't look at my nail polish too bad, too close. So anyway, so hopefully if you have any questions at all, make sure you holler at me in regards to that. Like I said, grab things when you can. I haven't looked to see if these are low inventory. Make sure you check that last chance list. This week I've been pulling last chance stuff, retired stuff, and I have lots of boxes of stuff that I will be selling for my retired sale. So make sure that you subscribe to my blog, subscribe to my emails so that you get that list. If there's anything in particular you're looking for, because I have a couple stamp sets, a couple bundles that I have somebody's name on, like when I sell this, you know, so-and-so wants this, so if there's anything like that, always let me know, and then I can put your name on something, you know, so that down the road if I sell it, then I can reach out to you. But so make sure you check that out. Otherwise, I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist, and that will be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a great weekend, and I will see you then. All right. Bye for now.